Editing for print requires different discipline. This tutorial focuses on print-safe Photoshop editing. Start by softproofing using the intended color profile. Adjust contrast conservatively to prevent ink loss in shadows. Avoid extreme saturation. Instead, build color richness through controlled mid-tone contrast. Skin retouching avoids blur-based methods entirely. Use tonal blending to preserve poor detail. Sharpening is applied selectively and previewed at print resolution. Final checks include shadow detail preservation and color consistency across channels. This process ensures edits translate accurately from screen to paper.